Upgrade your emotions vocabulary to express yourself better. In this video, you'll learn stronger, more precise English words that help you communicate joy with confidence, clarity, and impact. Joy. 1. Ecstatic. Feeling or expressing overwhelming happiness or excitement. The crowd was ecstatic after their team scored the winning goal in the final seconds of the game. 2. Elated. Extremely happy and excited. She was elated to learn that she had been accepted into her dream university. 3. Blissful. Full of or causing great happiness, serene and joyous. The couple spent a blissful afternoon relaxing by the lake, enjoying the peaceful quiet. 4. Jubilant. Feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph. A jubilant cheer erupted from the fans when the star player was announced. 5. Cheerful. Noticeably happy and optimistic. The cafe's cheerful decorations and bright lighting made everyone feel welcome. 6. Giddy. Excitable and frivolous, often with a feeling of light-hearted joy. After drinking their first cup of coffee, they were giddy with excitement for the day ahead. 7. Radiant. Beaming with happiness, health, or vitality. The bride looked radiant as she walked down the aisle, her face glowing with happiness. 8. Exuberant. Filled with or characterized by a lively energy and excitement. The puppies were exuberant, running and playing in the backyard without a care in the world. 9. Euphoric. Characterized by or feeling a state of intense happiness and self-confidence. Winning the lottery left him in a euphoric state for weeks, completely changing his outlook on life. 10. Triumphant. Having won a battle or contest, feeling great joy and satisfaction as a result. The team made a triumphant return to their hometown after securing the championship title. Upgrade your emotions vocabulary to express yourself better.